What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you a house tour of my Bloxburg house. So I haven't made a video in so long. I don't know how long, but let's just get started. Sorry I keep going into chat. It just bothers me when I see the numbers right next to it. But anyways, let's start. That's my core right there. I have a couple of windows in the front. I have no idea what this is called. I think it's called a hammock. Yeah. And then the front door, I have a little carpet, which I added today. Some of these things I added today because I've been working on getting better at decorating. This is a little desk with a little plant next to the computer. This is the dining room. Well, dining place. I used to have a garage right there. This is the kitchen. Has some spices. Okay. I have some toilet paper rolls right there, toaster, and spices, obviously. This is a little chores place. I don't really know what to call that part. More like a laundry place, though. But this is the living room. There's also a view of the backyard, which I am going to show at the end. This is the bathroom. Very simple. And this is like a wall of just many pictures. I would call it a family wall, but these are not pictures of a families. But yeah. The next room is gonna be a room that I've never had before in any of my Bloxburg houses. An office. I didn't really know how to decorate it, but the color is like that because those are the stairs where the picture is. And yeah. Those are also napkins because I thought they were papers. Anyway, yeah. I'm gonna go upstairs now. Okay, very simple bathroom. I don't really know much about what to put in these bathrooms. This is the baby room. Again, I'm not really good at decorating. I don't really know if I said that, but I'm not good at decorating. So, yeah, by the way, that bear's name is Barry. I didn't really know what to put in that room, just some fun stuff. This is the most simplest room in the whole house. I have most of the same things in these rooms because I don't really know how to decorate rooms, obviously. My best friend does. Yeah. It has the same material for every single room. As you can see, this one looks exactly like the other one, but just much bigger. Okay, let's close that door. This is the teen bedroom. The other one was the this is the kids' bedroom. The other one was the teen bedroom. That's what I meant to say. Sorry. This one has no difference, just a different plant right there and a bunk bed. I had twins. I had many different kids today in this one day. So, it was crazy. It was driving me crazy. But my best friend was helping me. That's a little family photo. It's not mine, obviously. I have a little, like a shelf with a book on top. This is just a picture wall. I don't really know what to call these walls with pictures, but this one's is the same exact, but this is the bathroom. I finished decorating that part yesterday. I will be getting advanced placing when I get more Robux, but that's the whole downstairs and upstairs. And now for the last part is the backyard. I don't know why I said it like that, but anyways, I am gonna put like a pool right next to those pool chairs. I have no idea what to call them, but this is just a hangout place with a fireplace there. I will be adding more stuff. It's just gonna be in the pool. I might also add a cooler right there, right in the middle of those two chairs. And a pool is gonna be right there. And a trampoline and a little playground. When I get more Bloxburg. But that's the whole entire house. Now I'm gonna go outside and show you all around it. That's how it looks. And before I end this video, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and turn on that post notification bell if you never want to miss a video of mine, even though I don't post much. But this is the view when it's all the way unzoomed. Yeah, the backyard is pretty empty, but obviously I am gonna add more. But that's how it looks. Yes, there's a floating bedroom, which is the kids one. The baby one. But that's because when I made this house, it was from Google's, so it didn't have all the exact rooms I wanted. So I had to do that which kind of messed up the house. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time in my next my next house tour or any other video I'm gonna do. Thank you. Bye.